Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder with Joystick full guide. Start by connecting your joystick and confirming it appears in system devices, then update drivers if needed. Launch War Thunder and open the control settings, choose a joystick profile, and enable default axis assignments. From there, test throttle, rudder, and axes in the calibration menu and save your profile before flying. In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder with Joystick full guide. Assign pitch and roll to your main joystick axes so aircraft feel natural, then map yaw to a rudder or twist axis and fine-tune the dead zones for stability. Configure throttle on a separate axis or use a throttle quadrant, and test responsiveness in a controlled flight to ensure smooth trim and precise control. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like so more content comes your way. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a playful household upgrade with smart voice control and solid mapping that saves you time between flights. It cleans while you tune controls and frees you from chores, so you can focus on joystick practice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder with Joystick full guide. Bind your primary fire and secondary functions to reachable buttons and assign view controls for quick situational awareness. Tweak sensitivity, filter, and response curves to match whether you prefer smooth or aggressive inputs, and use modifier buttons to double up functions without adding hardware. Practice in test flights until muscle memory forms and bindings feel natural.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.